Hi, hello, it's Liz here and back today for another collage assignment. Still haven't decorated the cover of book 2. I'll get round to it at some point. So here we are at week 46. So week 46 is an animal with long ears, something that starts with M, something that came in the mail, a leaf or leaves, bubbles, and the bonus is a watch or a clock. So this little list appeared to me to be all a little bit random. I couldn't get anything to fit, played around with this for ages and ages. Yeah, so anyway, this is what we've got. We've got an animal with long ears. So I have my hare, which obviously has very long ears. Something that starts with M, and I'm switching that out for the bonus, which is a watch or a clock, and I have this clock here. Something that came in the mail. No. It's the something that came in the mail that I'm switching out. Something that starts with an M. Of course, I've got my mushroom. How could I forget a little mushroom? So something that came in the mail is what I've switched out for the clock. A leaf or leaves, I have this tree which has the leaf or leaves on it. And for some reason this tree, which I think is some sort of palm tree, has this clock hanging from it. I don't know who put it there, but it's there. Bubbles, bubbles. I have these little plastic epoxy sticker bubbles, and I'm just going to dot them about. And like I say, it's all a bit random, but that was the list and that's what you get. So that's what it's going to be today. It's going to be this little scene of a hare and a mushroom and a clock and a tree with some bubbles. So I'm going to just stick that down the way that it is there. And I've just got my print stick. I'll just move that to the side and bring in the glowy magazine. So I'm filming this well in advance this week because we are going away for a couple of days. So when you see this, we will have been and we will be back. And the reason that we're away is because it's the 5th of November. And the 5th of November is Guy Fawkes Day night. And poor Millie is petrified of the fireworks. So I think Guy Fawkes is probably a British thing. So I don't think you have Guy Fawkes in America or anywhere else, because you didn't have somebody trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament in whatever year it was, hundreds and hundreds of years ago. So for some reason, we celebrate Guy Fawkes, who was the leader of the gang trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament. And for some reason, we get fireworks. We don't buy any, mainly families with kiddies. Now, there are organised displays that you can go to in the parks, but the shops sell individual fireworks for people to buy and to let off in their gardens and whatever. People get together and have bonfires and let off fireworks. And poor Millie gets into a terrible state because the bangs of these fireworks these days is truly awful. Some shops have decided not to sell fireworks, which is a good thing. I think they should be banned, or at least take the bangs out of them. You can have fireworks going that are just brightly coloured without the bangs, because it's the bangs that scare her. And lots of animals and dogs are scared at this time. What we did last year was we put her into nice luxury boarding kennels for the night out in the countryside, very rural, and so there was no fireworks, so that was good. But we phoned them up. I'm trying to decide whether I want little ones or big ones, middle-sized ones. Do you know, I think I just want the little ones because I'm not even sure that I like these, but I have to go with Bubbles. So the kennel was fully booked because obviously a lot of people, we missed that bus, a lot of people book their dogs in. Where do I want my Bubbles? One there for sure. So we couldn't get the kennel booked. Then we phoned the vet because we went on to the Greyhound Rescue website and they said you can get mild tranquilizers which will help. So we phoned the vet and the first available appointment is the 11th of November. Well, that's no use to man or beast because that's after the fireworks and no amount of trying to convince them, no. So if we can't get help for Millie, let's all go away somewhere. So it sort of snowballed and we ended up booking a cottage in the countryside up in Perthshire, miles away from anywhere. It's on a country estate and we're going there for 3 nights. So the Thursday night, the Friday night and the Saturday night. So we should be well away and the fireworks should all be over. So because of Millie and our fear of fireworks, we're all getting to go a wee holiday. So that's good. Well, you know, yeah. I'm not sure. It's a bit odd. But that's the way of a collage, isn't it? So anyway, that's us for this week. Thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.